Alright guys, we're in the garage today. We got a project we got to do. We're going to turn this piece of copper tubing. It's 1 inch in diameter and probably about 10 inches long. We're going to turn it into a copper spoon for welding. Now those of you guys that don't weld and have never welded probably don't know what that is, but you'll understand by the end of the video what it's for and why I'm making it. So anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so since I don't have a vise right now, my vise is broke, and that's one of the welding projects I have to do. We're going to use this big sledgehammer, and we're going to use this smaller sledgehammer. And what we're going to do is we're going to pound this flat and then put a little bit of a bend into it. Okay? So, let's get to it. You know what? That's probably pretty damn loud. So let me just pound it out, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, so here it is after I pounded it out. Sorry about that, guys. I really didn't think about how loud it was going to be trying to pound this shit. But you flatten it out, and you put a little bit of a bend into it. And the idea of it is, you put it on the back side of a panel if you have a hole, and you can totally fill in the hole with weld, and this won't stick to the back side of the panel that you're trying to weld. But yeah, any of those guys like Terry the Texas Viking or anybody else really that is on YouTube that may be subscribed to me that's a welder might be able to explain it better in the comment section. But here I'll show you here real quick on that fender I have over there in the side of the garage over here. Hang on a second. Okay, so this is the fender that I'm going to be putting on my truck here pretty soon. Say these two mounting holes right here. Say if you wanted to fill in one of these holes, you take this thing and you put it on the back side of it. Of course you're going to clean the paint off, but you'd be able to fill in this hole right here, and this welding spoon or this copper spoon would not stick on the back side of the panel. I mean, you can buy copper spoons, but I have a brother-in-law that's a plumber, and he can get me copper piping all day long if I want it. So anyway, that's what this is for. Alright guys, so real quick and real easy. Nothing to it. It's all there is right there. That's it. We just beat the hell out of a piece of copper piping. But it was fun to do it. And it's a very necessary thing coming up with the projects that I have in store for the truck too. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. We do appreciate it. Tune in next time when we could be tearing apart the truck, tearing that fender off and putting a new one on. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.